Welcome back, guys. 3 tools that I cannot live without. First things first, let's get this clear. We are not sponsored by these tools. I personally use them because they take my trading to the next level. So number 1, it's MyMoney Manager. So this tool is pretty much used to calculate your risk when you're about to execute a trade. As you guys know, I execute on the 1 minute, and I do not have time to think how much pip value this instrument that I'm trading has for me to calculate it to get 1%. I don't have any time for that, and I allow this tool to do it for me. All I have to do is place the stop loss in my desired location, and then it will immediately calculate how much risk I'm willing to put down, which is normally 1%, guys, or a little bit less than that. And then it will execute the trade for me. This is an absolute game changer, especially if you're coming down to the lower time frames. Now, I'm not saying that the 1 minute is extremely fast paced where you can't think about it, but one candle can make such a huge difference. As I've covered in my previous trades before, you guys know a late entry on the 1 minute can cost you, 8% or several percents if you're not absolutely on the ball. So when I'm about to perform, because that's what we're doing in those time frames, I am not thinking about anything else except the price action and the best moment of entry. So MyMoney Manager is a perfect tool to completely remove the guesswork in regards to your risk and make sure that if you're executing at the percent of the account that you desire. Tool number 2 is TradingView. Guys, I cannot live without TradingView. I'm going to be completely honest. TradingView is probably one of the first tools that I've adopted at the beginning of my trading career. Now, I'm not trying to shun down on MT4 or anything because I use it for execution, but I personally feel that TradingView is a lot more fluent when it comes to navigating the charts. You can get a lot more data, it's a lot quicker, a lot easier, and it enables you to save all the drawings that you've put on that specific chart. As you guys know, I'm very big on scenario building. So TradingView enables me to save all my scenarios before I'm looking for that execution or before I'm looking for the market to come back to a certain region. Frankly, guys, it was an absolute game changer when I discovered TradingView, and I haven't looked back ever since. And I'm talking 8 years and running now. Tool number 3 is Edgewonk. Edgewonk is a trading journaling tool where you are able of placing all the metrics of your trade and be able to see how well you are performing. Now, the difference between Edgewonk and a normal trading journal is that you are able to, first of all, set all the parameters that you require to execute a trade on. And if you haven't followed these parameters, Edgewonk will highlight to you with a positive or negative bar on whether you have followed your rules or not. When I first discovered Edgewonk, which is about 2 years ago, I was pretty much in a place where my trading was consistent but not consistent enough. And by using Edgewonk, it enabled me to sharpen up the parameters and the metrics that I needed to really measure how well I'm performing in the markets. Ever since, I haven't looked back. And as you guys know, my trading has improved 4-5x. I'm really happy with these tools. I wouldn't live without them again, guys. Please, if you want to take your trading to the next level, feel free to adopt them. Obviously, at the beginning, you're not going to be perfect with them, but over time, you're going to know exactly why you're using them and what to use them for. Take care.